third. It's kind of in the middle. Get me a 5-6 run away to your house. I want to see what you hear. Y'all ready? Tell us when to go, Bones. You the. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. Y'all ready? You back on there. Wait 1 minute. Clean up. Say go, Bones. I say go. I am the monkey man. I am the monkey man. Y'all can it different times or something, or go ahead and do it again. Ready, set, go. I am the monkey man. I am the monkey man. Monkey on me, and 5-6 is in there, I hear. Yes, I heard 5-6 monkey. Every monkey was right up in his ass. Oh no! I can't flip on a switch. You got 5-6 down there, can't be. Switch. Hey, 5-6, I was telling you, man, I ain't got no switch to flip. Y'all bear with me, I'm setting my neck here. I say it was a good one, 5-6. That radio you got is loud. Oh, well, I ain't got my hot digging elbow. What am I doing? He got something on over there. He ain't getting one. Oh, I... Got something blasting over there. No, he got...
It was all monkey on me, at least on my receive. It was monkey. 5-6 was loud. I heard him in there, but monkey was louder on me.
5-6, see. Oh, yeah. Here, sir. Stand about 10 pounds, swinging forward.
Woo!
Yeah, I got to quit this stuff, too. I got to get something to talk on. This topic ain't doing what I want. 5-6, if you heard how good you sound, I think you'd be happy. Break. Maybe something, but see, I'm on all the ritual. I ain't on the move. Me turning pop different over where I need to. I'm just on my go 5,000. Well, hey, it sounds good, man. What kind of alteration are you on? 5-6. I'm on that one we put up. I got another. I got a big stick put up. You got a Vector. Is that what you got? A Vector 5000 or something? Yeah, I had to put a 10,000 gamma mesh up. Oh yeah, I got that one the level head. You only have a 5,000 mesh on it? Yeah, I think so. I got a towel coming, about 30-foot towel there. I'll put my hands on it, about 40 foot. Oh no, you can't do that. You're getting louder each time you get the whole radio. I got more than you now I've had a long time. Yeah, I got a 10 fill over here. I'll probably 10 fills in a bottle. I'll be getting down 10 fills in a bottle.
5-6.
Yes, sir.
You a monkey want to go one more time?
Yeah, let me hit high side.
Monkey, you there?
This time, 5-6. Well, yeah, I got you, baby. All right, go ahead, monkey. Go for it, baby.
Monkey man, are you out there?
Oh, 5-6. I had to go pee-pee when somebody called my name. Bye.
Yeah, you throw it in high gear. We're gonna run you and 5-6 again over to my place here.
I'm gonna get my name. I guess I'll do. Say when.
Let him go.
I am the monkey man.
That was close.
Man, started and who that off it. Y'all gotta do that again.
Let him go.
I am the monkey man. Monkey man.